Why you so shady? Hey, yo, you're wondering why I'm wearing these shades, right? I'm about to tell you how shady these Japanese people can be. Like, they are next level shady. Like, you guys might be wondering, Andre, why would you do a video like this? No, I just want to show you, like, share my experiences with you as usual. Now, in Japan, a lot of things lost in translation, but there are a lot of nuance in how they, why you so shady? Say things and the words they choose to, for example, in the summer it's hot, everyone knows that, and they will look at you and see, well, I sweat a lot, right? So I'll be walking sometimes and one of my friends will be like, Atsuine Andore. I'm like, yes, it's hot. Yeah, I know, it's hot. And basically they're saying, I say payo ne. Why you so shady? I'm like, yeah, it's hot. So they're like saying, but a lot of them don't really sweat as much, and so they're like, Trey, why are you sweating so much? Like, and you're even sweating at night, bro? Who sweats at night? Like, come on. I'm like, yeah, I do. You know, chill. You know, and it's like there's an undertone in how they say it, and even when speaking about, like, when they're complimenting you on your language, like, you say stuff like watashi wa onto this, and they be like, so shady. Ore wa Jamaica jin desu. 3年半 ぐらい日本に住んでます. I just told you a basic introduction of myself. I've been here for 3.5 years. How is that supposed to be like Jozu? And they're going up in levels of Super Saiyan, like screaming, hey, oh my god, you're so amazing. In essence, they're kind of saying, I don't understand how. They're like saying, oh my god, I can't comprehend how a foreigner can grasp such a complex language. Oh my god, they are so amazing. You are so amazing. But really, a lot of Japanese have a complex that they feel that they are a superior race. And so anything a foreigner is able to do that has to do with Japanese culture, or you would know from living here for a long time, they kind of become very impressed. Same thing with the chopsticks and all that sort of thing. It's really just a condescending kind of compliment, and they're throwing shade at you, really. You know what I mean? Yeah. One race. Woohoo. Why are you so shady? When you go to the konbini, I've been living here for 3.5 years. I go to the konbini, I go there almost every week, and I order a bento. This guy asks me, he sees me coming in there every week, and he says, oh, chopsticks? And I say, yeah, chopsticks. He puts a chopsticks as well as a knife and fork in the bag. What are you trying to say, bro? Come at me. Why are you so shady? You know I can use chopsticks. It's not that difficult though. If you've been living in Japan for a while, obviously you'll be able to use chopsticks. But no, they don't believe you can use chopsticks because you're a foreigner. Oh well, I mean, it's whatever, fine. You don't give a Japanese person a knife and fork with their bento box, so why are you giving me? You know what I mean? Why are you so shady? Those are the subtle things. You know, people don't see that. You know, I'm not saying it's racist, but I'm saying you're basically saying I don't have the skills to do what you guys can do. There are certain things that you guys do that I would never do, like eating natto. That's just trash. Yeah, moving on. I've been out on dates and the waiter or the waitress has oftentimes given the menu to the Japanese person, or given the bill to the Japanese person, or has leaned towards the Japanese person for any orders without even batting an eye my way, because apparently I don't have the ability to speak Japanese or read Japanese. Well, the reading Japanese part, if the menu is all in super kanji level 12 million, then obviously I'm not going to be able to read everything. I mean, yeah, but give me the benefit of the doubt, bro. Let me order and think, and then, you know, if I can't, then you look to the Japanese person. A lot of times I'll be speaking Japanese and they're looking at me in amazement because he can't be speaking Japanese. He can't be speaking Japanese. And I'm not even ordering in like the foreign Japanese accent. You know the accent, right? Like, say, oh my god, sumimasen, roast katsu, hitotsu desu, onegai shimasu. I'm not talking like that. I'm talking like I've been in Japan for a while. Sumimasen, roast katsu, hitotsu, toka, omori de. And they still look at you like you're not speaking Japanese, you're speaking a foreign language, you know. But the Japanese person says the same thing and it's perfectly okay. That is high level shade / xenophobia / racism / whatever else you want to slash it up. Or not. And I don't need no social justice warriors coming on my timeline or coming on in the comments telling me, Andre, you don't know anything about that. If you don't live in Japan, then you wouldn't know. You won't notice these things. These are things you would observe over a period of time, not a short period of time. Okay, visitors of Japan and weeaboos? Great. I mean, those are a few things. I mean, I don't know if there's any other ways you have felt that a Japanese person has thrown shade at you or towards you or a group of your friends. Please leave it in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Please smash that like button, share. You know what I mean? Road to 10,000 by 2018. Long road. Let's get going. You know, let's get goals. Japanese, why are you so shady? You so shady. Why you be so shady? I mean, I get it. You guys don't understand what it's like living in Japan. And yes, they throw so much shade. There are things I want to say, but I can't really say it on camera because, yeah, people get upset. And I really don't want to upset people more than I already do just by my mere existence. You know, just like when people always, you know, get upset and keep me out of line chat. Yeah, bye. Psh.